apron. Spring break.
Shelter in
Place edition. For those of you who are staying at home and have stuff in your fridge that you might want to think about using for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, well, these are some tutorials that you could do to make good stuff out of that stuff you have in the fridge or pantry. So you might be wondering, why is it called? Hey Tyler, why is it called Double Apron? Well, Mommy, turn the camera around.
No. It's not.
It's my mom because I cook with my mom.
It's double apron because.
It's double apron because I have the.
You have an apron.
I have an apron.
And I have an apron.
Yeah, and I cook with my mom too.
Yeah.
So these are, like I said, these are easy tutorials for stuff you can make with stuff in your fridge or pantry for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Today we are going to make a breakfast omelet made out of leftover ham from Easter, which is over there, and on the plate here, bacon and tomatoes. Very healthy. And you need 3 eggs.
Okay, 3 eggs. Okay, start beating the egg, honey.
Oh yeah, okay. So you need to stir the eggs around very carefully with either a fork or spoon. Either one's fine. For the safety of your hands and your family, please wash your hands before you cook.
Okay.
So you need to beat these eggs with a whisk, fork, or spoon. The whisk works for me good, but if a fork or spoon works for you, that's okay too.
And we put garlic salt
And we
already.
put garlic salt. Garlic salt is always the main ingredient for eggs. Remember that.
The flavor.
Also, for 50 milliliters of milk and slowly though.
Okay.
Then you beat the eggs again.
Whisk.
Also, I forgot to mention, if you're wondering if it's white or scrambled, it's scrambled. It's gotta be scrambled. If it's white, it won't turn out great for you.
Okay.
The next thing we're gonna do is throw in the ingredients here. Now remember, the ingredients you need for this kind of omelet are tomatoes, bacon, and leftover ham.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't have any baked ham or leftovers, you can use ham of any kind. So let's.
One at a time, my love.
Oh yeah, one at a time. First put in the bacon. Okay. Next the ham. Sorry, this is taking a little while.
Okay. Get the ham.
Okay. Oh,
then
it's
wait.
piling up.
It's okay.
Okay.
Go ahead and mix that first.
Okay,
Make sure
we'll
it's
mix
coated.
this first. Make sure all the stuff is coated. My mom always likes everything coated. Isn't that right, Mommy?
Yes, my love.
It's true.
Okay.
So
let's go.
true.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, now
tomatoes.
to put in the tomatoes and what's left of the ham.
Okay. Make sure you didn't
wanna leave anything
want
behind.
onions, okay?
Yep. If you want to put onions, that's okay too. And any other
Or
stuff.
mushrooms.
This is just basic. Yeah, or mushroom. These are just basic ingredients for a tutorial. But if you want to add some more stuff in, you can do that too.
Okay.
So you whisk everything together and make sure every single piece of ingredients are coated.
Coated.
After you got the batter here, you pour it into a frying pan with oil. You could use olive oil, like we did. Make sure if you're a kid cooking, get a grown-up to help you.
Wait, my love.
Oh, okay. We just got one tomato stuck in there. Okay, I think we got everything.
Okay, alright.
And there we go. Once you got your egg batter in there, stir it around so it'll make a good omelet. If you don't stir it around,
It's
it'll
really an
just-
omelet. Oh my gosh.
It's an omelet.
Okay, sure.
Oh, doesn't that look glorious?
Loaded.
Yep, loaded with lots of meat and veggies.
Okay. And we're letting it
Yep.
a little bit more.
Yep. Oh, don't. Also, if your kids watching this, make sure they hold on to the pan. And never, ever hold on to the pan on the rim when there's a fire underneath it.
Oh, it's cooking. It's so funny.
That's because you'll just burn your fingers off.
Good tip. Good tip.
Yeah, I give good cooking tips.
Just a little bit more.
I also heard that you could eat omelets with barbecue sauce, surprisingly. And if you're Asian like us, you could eat it with rice. Longanisa was basically sausage. And a lot of stuff.
Yes. All right. I think you're good now.
You could also
Alright.
eat it with fried rice.
Garlic fried rice.
Garlic fried rice.
Okay.
So after a few minutes of cooking, it's finally done. Look at it. It's so chunky. I'm gonna go eat it. Okay, now let's see how my omelet I made with my mom tastes. Let's get a bit of the tomato and a bit of the. Oh, this piece is
Smiley
over.
face, yeah.
And I'm sorry to do this. Oh. Very good, very good.
Is it successful?
It's a successful dish and it's really good to make for breakfast. Thank you for all for watching and we'll see you in the next cooking tutorial. Goodbye and thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching Double Apron.
Thank you for watching Double Apron today. We'll see you next time tomorrow for a lunch dish.
Tomorrow, oh my gosh. Okay.